Word of the day is extrude. Extrude. It means निकाल बाहर करना या बाहर निकालना. The definition of extrude is form a shape by forcing through an opening. Synonyms of extrude are boot, chase, chuck, dismiss, eject, evict, expel, kick out, press, project, squeeze, throw out, thrust. Antonyms of extrude: admit, include, let in. Next word of the day is intrude. Intrude means ज़बरदस्ती करना या ज़बरदस्ती. Definition of intrude is thrust oneself in as if by force, enter search or inquire in a meddlesome way, enter unlawfully on someone's property. Synonyms are barge in, bother, butt in, chisel in, cut in, disturb, encroach, entrench, go beyond, hold up, horn in, infringe, insinuate, intercalate, interfere, obtrude, overstep, pester. Antonyms are withdraw, remove, take away, overlook, ignore, dismiss, expel.